What animals live in the Dutch canals? Sure, the Dutch waterways may seem artificial and unappealing, but you'd be surprised to know that they are teeming with life. There are two main reasons for this. The animals have adapted to their unique environment, and the city has made great efforts to keep the canals clean, ensuring that they're free from trash and pollution. Above the water, you'll find a fascinating array of bird species. Below the water surface, an astonishing variety of fish awaits. If you're curious to witness these animals up close, you can visit Artus, where a captivating display showcases the wildlife of the Dutch canals. Living in harmony with nature, even in a city like Amsterdam, is possible. By preserving their habitats and appreciating the rich diversity of wildlife, we can make our cities more agreeable, our parks more tenable, and our outings more enjoyable. Explore the Dutch canals and embrace the wonders of nature. Join us in discovering the hidden treasures of the Dutch canals.